Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe Nourish with Nidya and hit the bell button for more interesting recipes. In this video, we will see how to prepare crispy prawn with simple ingredients which you'll find in your kitchen definitely. First of all, devein the prawns and wash them thoroughly. Pat them dry. In a bowl, add in prawns. And to make a marinade, add in salt, pepper, turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice. Adding all these ingredients, mix well and keep them refrigerated for at least 2 to 4 hours. Let's prepare the batter. Add in flour to it. I have added all-purpose flour. You can add other types of flour like rice flour, corn flour, but the end flavor will change. Add in eggs to the flour. Mix the flour and eggs thoroughly. I like my batter to be thick, but if you prefer, you can add some milk and make the batter light. To make our prawns crispy, take a bowl, add some rava and breadcrumbs. Add a pinch of salt to it and give a good mix. Now set it aside. Trust me, rava makes the prawns a lot more crispy. Dip the prawns in the batter. Roll them in the breadcrumbs and rava mix to coat nicely and keep them ready for frying. Add oil to a hot pan, and when the oil becomes hot, add in prawns one by one and make sure not to overcrowd it. Deep fry them until they are golden. And here you go. Crispy prawn fry is ready to serve. Garnish the dish with a squeeze of lemon and onion slices. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Try the recipe and let me know in comments below. Like and share with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe for more videos and give a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video.